Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step-by-step process how you can easily check for updates in Windows 11. If this video will be helpful, definitely write down below in the comment that it was helpful, so when other people would come here, they would see like, okay, yes, I can watch this video. So what you want to do is go to bottom, next to the search is going to be a start button. Right click on the start button and go to settings. Right then, you're going to be in settings. And this thing is always bugging out for some reason. You want to click on under privacy and security is Windows Update. And then you're going to have I got like resume updates. And then like you would see the check for updates here. It's checking right now. So just click the check for updates. And when it's going to like show you what you need to install, you can see right now that it's installing for Windows 11. But this is how you can check for updates, and this is where you would find updates for your video. And right now it's downloading. Now again, if this video was helpful and you found it too, you can write down below in comments that, hey man, it helped me and I'm thankful for it. So this is how we do it. And right now, as you can see, it's installing everything. And yep. So that's pretty much it. So this is how you can check for updates in Windows 11. Have a great day and goodbye, guys. See ya.